Today, I'm making a healthy strawberry ice cream using fresh strawberries and traditional Japanese ingredients. No refined sugar, no artificial flavors. Just simple ingredients I feel good serving to my daughter. Store-bought healthy ice cream can be expensive, sometimes almost $8 for a small container. And honestly, many still contain a lot of sugar or ingredients I try to avoid. So today, I want to show you an easy homemade version. That's creamy, naturally sweet, and gut-friendly. We'll use naturally fermented Japanese seasonings to create sweetness and depth without using refined sugar. Let's make it together. First, I gently cook the strawberries with Mirin. Since we're not using refined sugar, cooking the strawberries helps bring out their natural sweetness. Mirin is a traditional Japanese fermented seasoning with a mild sweetness and rich flavor. The alcohol cooks off as it simmers, leaving a soft, deeper sweetness behind. Once it comes to a boil and the alcohol cooks off, reduce the heat to low and let it gently simmer for about 10 minutes. Give it a quick taste. If the strawberries are naturally sweet and flavorful, it's ready. Then let it cool over ice. Next, I whip the cream over ice to keep it cold while mixing. I add a small amount of Lakanto for a little extra sweetness. Then whip until thick and creamy. A squeeze of lemon helps brighten the flavor and balances the richness of the cream. A little vanilla bean adds warmth and aroma, making the sweetness feel deeper and softer. Then I add amazake, a traditional Japanese fermented rice drink with natural sweetness. If you'd like to learn how to make amazake, I shared a recipe in an earlier video.
Then fold in the cooled strawberries gently.
Transfer it to a freezer-safe container. Then freeze for at least 12 hours. And that's it. It's really simple and fun to make together with kids. Even without refined sugar, it still has a rich, natural sweetness. My daughter absolutely loves this, and it's one of our favorite treats at home. I hope this recipe brings a little calm and joy to your kitchen too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.